Hello, I consider myself skilled and qualified to take on the role of tour guide. My training in this sector encompasses various courses I've taken throughout my life. I have a first aid course and I also have a qualification in occupational health and safety. I am capable of leading a certain number of people in the tourist sector. I have always been someone capable of overcoming any obstacle of difficulty that may arise, which is why I feel I could be an excellent candidate for the position of tour guide. Thank you very much.